So I'll give you a hadith so you'll understand this perspective of black hole, Hawking radiation. And the Prophet ﷺ said that this heaven, our heaven, the first heaven, compared to the second heaven, is like a ring inside a desert. Okay? Make sure you understand the choice of the Prophet's words, ring. And that second heaven is a ring in a desert, with desert being the third heaven. It's an analogy so that we can understand how enormous the next heaven is. But the ring, it's not a space, not a grain of sand in a desert. No, no, no. That would be an appropriate analogy if it were an analogy only about the size, right? A grain in a desert. But Prophet said, no, it's not a grain in a desert. It's a ring, the ring that we wear, right? Ring in a desert. And the third heaven is a ring in the desert. And the fourth, and so on and so forth. And the seventh is the desert for the ring, which is the sixth heaven. And the seventh heaven is a ring in front of the Arsh of Allah. So you see the geometry and the symmetry and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Now, when you look at the black hole, you can see that ring in some way, shape, or form. And since there's so many black holes, you can see that these could be a doorway. And when you come out of that doorway, it would show you how enormous that next heaven is. And how would this heaven look like in the second heaven? It would look like a ring, right? So in other
Yeah.
words, this universe itself, Hassan, that we're living in, this could be a black hole.